Hello children, today we will read a story about the dog and the bone. Once upon a time, there was a dog who was always hungry. Every day, he sniffed the ground until he found something to eat. One day, the dog found a bone. He was very happy. He picked up the bone and ran towards his house. On the way to his home, there was a bridge. When he was crossing it, he saw his reflection in the water. He thought it was another dog. The dog in the water also has a bone, he thought. If I take his, then I will have two bones. He barked at the dog in the water. Woof! As soon as he opened his mouth to bark, his bone fell into the water. Oh no! There was no other dog, he thought. But it was late. The greedy dog went home hungry. Bye bye children.